The NJM group boom gate system goes to show that not all boom gates are created equal. A lot of technology was integrated into the system with safety and automation efficiency as top priority. Loop wiring tells the boom gate when a car has arrived at and past the boom arm, so it can rise and drop accordingly. Infrared sensors can also be used to achieve the same result. Additionally, wave pressure sensors add an extra level of protection. If the boom arm does come into contact with the subject, the sensor will make the arm immediately retract. Illumination features will increase visibility at all times of the day, with control options ranging from remote controls, card access, ticket machines and more. This boom gate is as versatile as they come. This boom gate is available now through NJM Group. For more information, go to australianautomationsystems.com.